Hey you guys, so it's currently May 23rd, which means that it's like less than a month until I go to the Twice concert. So my dad, he said if I were to buy the tickets myself because they're kind of expensive, then he would buy me their light stick. So that's what I got for you, and now we're gonna unbox it. Okay, slightly funny story. So my dad, he ordered the candybong Z, the second one that came out in 2019, I believe. And guess what? It turned out to be fake. And so we had to return that. But I did keep the photo cards because I love my photo cards. This is the new Twice Infinity light stick, and it's from eBay. Okay. This is what it looks like. And packaged very nicely. Alright. Ooh! That looks so nice. So it came with the photo cards. I saw some of these photo cards on like eBay and Mercari, and I was like, dang, these are so expensive. You know why? Because these are exclusive. As usual, they're in age order. So Nayeon, Jeongyeon, Momo, my bias, Sana, JIHYO, Mina, Dahyun, Jeongyeon, and Chewy. I don't know why, but I just love photo cards so much. So those are the photo cards. Now let's actually unbox the album. Album. Light stick. Ooh, she looks fancy. This one definitely looks a lot better than that fake one that arrived. Oh my gosh, there's a mirror. That's so cool. I did not know that. And it comes with this thingy that can be attached here somewhere somehow. I'm pretty sure the batteries aren't included in here, so we gotta put them in. Where are the batteries? Okay, found the batteries. We did it, guys! Look at it! Okay, so it looks like the previous candybong Z on one side, and then the other side looks like a freaking microphone. Oh my gosh. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay! Oh my gosh. You guys have literally no idea how happy I am to see their colors. And look at that. It's spinning. But anyways, you have no idea how happy I am to see the Twice colors because, oh my gosh, it's rainbow on the inside now. Okay, wait. We should try out the... Ooh. So I think... Ooh! You have to press it long for it to come off. And then when you press it again, it starts moving like that. And then you press it again, and then it turns rainbow on the inside, and it stops moving. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This one's my favorite. And then this is one with the regular light, I think. Question mark? I don't know. And then this one moves like this. But you guys have no idea how happy I am to see the Twice colors, because the fake one that we accidentally ordered, it was green and purple. Like, where in green and purple screams Twice? No. This is their official colors. That was my candybong unboxing. I'll see you guys later, whenever that may be. So I just got home from my shift, and oh my gosh, I'm about to get ready for the Twice concert. Alright, so I'm about to change into the outfit for the concert, and my nails, 3 of my nails came off at work, and this hand is fine, so I'm gonna put on my nails after I'm done with everything. Alright, so I got the first half of my outfit on. So this is the Peekaboo Brammy suit from Classy Network, and then I've got my flared light wash jeans, and then I've also got my heart chain belt, which obviously I'm not gonna wear up here, but yeah. So what I'm gonna wear over is my pink Twice sweater, Momo 96 on the back, because Momo's my bias. Love all the members equally though. Alright, so I've got the sweater on, and I've cropped it with the chain belt on the inside, and once I get into the venue and once the concert starts, this sweater is coming off. Okay, so now onto the hair. So my hair is in French braids right now because I wanted to have beach waves, and my hair had to be up in a bun for work. That's why it was like that. But now we're gonna take off our braids. And hopefully they're beach waves because they've been braided since last night. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm probably gonna put these two up like this and hairspray it down. So yeah. Alright, hair is all done. And I'm gonna finish putting on my nails and I'll see you guys then. Alright, just finished doing my makeup and I have to be wearing my glasses or else I won't be able to see them. So yeah, this is the full makeup look glow. It's not that much. And we're ready to go.
Nice to meet you guys. Hello everyone. This is Julie. Let's enjoy the show. 하나, 둘, 셋. Ready to be me feel special. 세상이 아무리 날 춤춰줘도 그리고 그만들은 날 잘라줘. 네가 있어 난 다시 웃어.
Okay, so I got home from the concert about like 30-ish minutes ago. I took a shower because my hair was full of hairspray and I have a graduation tomorrow, which will probably be my next vlog or something. But anyways, so I didn't get to film the encore, unfortunately, because as you guys saw, my phone died. But after that we did When We Were Kids, Crazy Stupid Love, Donut, Like Ooh, and Basics. I don't know if I'm forgetting, but if I am forgetting, then I might be forgetting. But those are the songs that I remember. And it was so fun. Best concert experience I've been to. It was absolutely amazing. I also bought TWICE's white tour hoodie. It was pretty expensive, but they only had it in a 2X large because I bought it after the concert and there were a lot of people in line. So I only got 2X large, which is not my size, but I like the fit of it. So yeah, that's that. Anyways, I had so much fun and now me and my sister are gonna go watch videos. So yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!